Hi, I'm Joanna Botman with Urban Harvest, and today we're going to show you how to put together your grow kit. The kit includes the following: a grow kit information folder with step-by-step directions, a journal, tips for growing, and recipes. One 10-gallon fabric grow bag with a sponsored tag or QR code on the back to connect you to our Sprouts Up page filled with gardening resources. One sample size package of Microlife organic slow-release fertilizer, packets of seeds with growing instructions, one live plant called a transplant, plant labels, a pair of garden gloves, and a bag of organic gardening soil. The first step is to find a location for your smart pot that has access to water and at least 6 hours of sunlight. Once you find a location, we'll open up the gardening soil and fill the smart pot up to halfway. Make sure to loosen up any clumped soil. Next, add half of the Microlife package and mix it into the soil. Then go ahead and add more soil until you reach about 3 inches from the top of the pot. Sprinkle about a quarter more of the Microlife and mix it in. You can save the remaining portion of the Microlife for feeding plants the next month. Now our smart pot is ready for planting. To start, we will dig a hole in the center of the pot for our live transplant. Using 2 fingers, we will gently remove the plant from the container. Tickle the roots to loosen them up and then plant it in the pot, securing it by patting down the soil and then a plant label to identify it. Next, grab one of your seed packets. The seeds will change depending on the season, and there are instructions on the label. Take a pinch of the seeds and sprinkle them over the soil on one side of the pot and pat down lightly on the surface. Once again, you will want to create a label to identify your growing plants. Finally, we will add the second seed packet on the opposite side from where we planted the earlier seeds. In this case, the seeds are large and we'll make little holes with our fingers and add 1 seed per hole along the edge of the pot. And then cover with soil and place your label. And that's it! You are now ready to water. Add enough to get the soil thoroughly wet. You will want to check the soil every day and add it whenever it feels dry. On hot days, you may need to water the pot twice. I hope this guide gets you started growing quickly. Remember, there's a lot of information in your packet and on our website, urbanharvest.org.